Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're going to unbox this wireless earbuds from Ugreen. So another Ugreen unboxing. Nagkaroon ako ng separate video about the 100 watt fast charger ni Ugreen. If gusto nyo mapanood yon and interested kayo, links can be found down below and here. And if bago ka lang sa channel ko, I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech boodles. So if ito yung mga content na gusto mo, subscribe ka na sa channel ko. Okay, so back to Ugreen wireless earbuds. So actually nagulat ako na meron pala silang wireless earbuds. Kasi yung mga products nila mostly computer accessories like USB-C hub, chargers, cables, and marami pang iba. Kaya nagulat ako na meron pala silang mga wireless earbuds. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, so what's inside the box? Once you open it, kita na natin yung wireless earbuds or the Hitune X5. And then we can also see a small black box. And opening it lang, meron siyang ear tips and the charging cable. So the cable is USB to USB-C. Meron pala dito sa other side ng box is nandun naman yung manuals. Okay, so let's talk about the specs first before I provide my impression on this one. So as per Ugreen, ang playtime niya is around 7 hours on a single charge. And then up to 28 hours if kasama yung charge ng case. So grabe, ganun na rin kahaba nung battery life nung mga wireless earbuds ngayon. And then ang charge time niya is 1.5 hours for the earbuds para maging full charge. And then 2 hours naman para ma-fully charge yung case. And then charging port niya is via USB-C. And then it has IPX5 rating. So hindi siya talaga waterproof. Pwede lang siya mabasa like ambon or matalsikan lang ng onte or pawis if you're gonna use it for workout. Pero hindi siya pwedeng i-submerge sa tubig. So hindi siya waterproof, guys. Okay, so sabi ni Ugreen, ang isa sa feature neto is meron siyang dual mode. Yung gaming mode and yung music mode. So pag naka-gaming mode siya, meron siyang 70 millisecond na low latency. So perfect na perfect to for competitive gaming. So wala masyadong delay because of the low latency. And super bass naman if you are in music mode. Okay, so I've been using this for quite some time now. And then I can say na sobrang na-impress ako sa sound quality niya and yung bass niya. So for this particular price point, and then si Ugreen na hindi naman siya kilala as a brand that sells wireless earbuds. So sobrang na-impress ako sa quality talaga niya. So if you're looking for an affordable earbuds, wireless earbuds, then I highly recommend this wireless earbuds. So actually, iPhone user ako. So ang gamit ko is AirPods, AirPods Pro. And yung quality niya is may laban sa AirPods Pro. Of course, wala yung mga features ni AirPods Pro like noise cancelling, spatial audio. So ginagamit ko pa rin siya for listening music or playing games. Kasi nga dahil dun sa gaming mode niya. Once ilagay mo na yung earpods sa tenga mo, nagno-notify siya na nakakonect ka ba or hindi. May nagsasalita. And then pag sinwitch nyo naman siya from normal mode to gaming mode, sasabihin niya rin na nag-transfer na to gaming mode or bumalik siya sa normal mode. So meron siyang voice indicator kung ano yung current status. And then actually nung first gamit ko, salita pa lang niya, alam ko maganda na talaga yung sound quality niya. So siguro yung mapapansin ko lang na sana matte yung ginamit nilang paint. Kasi this one is using a glossy finish. So pag glossy finish, fingerprint magnet siya. Unlike pag matte, yung paint, hindi siya ganun ka fingerprint magnet and yung dumi ng kamay or yung oils ng kamay. Pero gusto ko yung color niya, metallic. Similar siya with AirPods kung paano siya ino-open or close. Ganyan. And then meron din siyang LED indicator dito sa harap. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.